Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Languages with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today I am with Quick Italian. Learn Italian in quick and easiest way. This is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian faster.
So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is I. I in Italian is io. I, io. You, tu. You in Italian is tu. He in Italian is lui. She in Italian is lei. Focus on the pronunciation of lui, lei. Lui for men and lei for women. Next phrase is we. We in Italian is noi. We, noi. You all, voi. Noi, we. You all, voi. They. They in Italian is loro. They in Italian is loro. Me in Italian is me. Next one is trust me. Trust me in Italian is fidati di me. Fidati di me. Trust in Italian is fidati di me. Trust me. I don't want. Non voglio. Non voglio. Please repeat after me. Trust me. Fidati di me. Fidati di me. I don't want. Non voglio. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is I don't care. I don't care in Italian is non mi importa. Non mi importa. I don't care. Non mi, I don't. Care in Italian is importa. Non mi importa. Now next one is I'm sorry. Mi dispiace. I am in Italian is me and sorry means dispiace. Mi dispiace. If you want to kind to anyone, you can say mi dispiace. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day videos so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Thank you for watching. Ciao presto.